बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की राधा रानी की श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की प्रथमं सद्गुरुं वन्दे श्रीकृष्णं तदनन्तरं गुरु पापात्मनां त्राता श्रीकृष्णस्त्वमलात्मनः यस्यैकनिश्वसितकालमथावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदन्दनाथ विष्णुर्मास इह यस्य कला विशेषो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। नमः कमलनाभाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षं यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्वन्देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, राधा रानी की जय, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की जय। We continue the explanation of that Pad, the divine composition written by Jagat Guru Shri Kapal Mahaprabhu, Prem Ras Madhira, Siddhant Madhuri, part number 74. मन तो काहे हट पकड़ो, मन तो काहे हट पकड़ो, आप सावधान हो जाइए. Now let's try to be very attentive and listen carefully. So far we've been listening to the explanation of this divine pad, divine composition, poetry, written by Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripalu Mahaprabhu in his most divine book, Premras Madira. We've seen so far, because of our mind, listening to the mind, haven't forgotten that we are the soul, Atma, identifying with the material body. We have been rotating in 8.4 million forms of life from beginning to this time. Being a fraction of Sri Krishna, the soul, Atma, that's who we are. It's our nature to look for happiness everywhere and in everything. Our only aim in life is attaining happiness. Sri Krishna is happiness. Another name for Sri Krishna is Ananda, Sukha, happiness. And because we eternal fractions of Sri Krishna, from beginning to this time, we have been looking for happiness. But because of ignorance, Ajnana, what is the ignorance? We have forgotten who we are. We've forgotten that I am soul, Atma. From beginningless time, we've identified with the material body. This body is material. Prithvi, Jal, Tej, Vayu, Akash. It's made of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. The world is also made of the same 5 elements. So the subject of the body is the world. We need the world to keep the body healthy. We have to make use of the world. But because of the ignorance, we enjoy the world, foolishly looking for happiness. And so we've been rotating in 8.4 million forms of life. Now we happen to meet a true saint, a true guru, Shotriya Brahmanishta Mahapurush, theoretical man plus practical man, Jnaninaha plus Darshinaha. Gita chapter 4 verse 34. The true guru. And he has given us the knowledge. Number 1, we are soul, Atma, we're not the body. This knowledge is sitting in the intellect. Not just reading a book. We have heard uncountable time. We have read uncountable time. This knowledge doesn't come from reading a book. Guru, the true saint, the true guru, makes that knowledge sit in our intellect. Right? Yeah. He's also made us understand that the happiness is given that knowledge and made us sit in our intellect also. The happiness we're looking for we'll find only in Shri Krishna. Now how to find Shri Krishna? This is the only way we'll find happiness. So we have many things. Gyan, yoga, havan, rituals. People do all kinds of different things. There's all these paths. Gyan, karma, yoga, tapasya, austerities, Vedic rites and rituals, varnashram, dharma. They will give something. But they will not give us Sri Krishna. Bhagavan Krishna makes it very clear in the Gita. Nam veda na tapasa na dane na chechaya. Chapter 11 verse 53 Gita. Not through the study of the Vedas, not through tapasya, austerity, not through dan, charity, not through yagna, sacrificial worship, karma, dharma, not through puja, etc. Can one attain Sri Krishna? Can attain me, he said to Arjuna. Chapter 11 verse 53. So he's saying how he cannot be attained. Then 11:54. The next verse, he says, Bhaktya tvananyaya shakya ahamevam vidhorjuna gyatum drashtuta tattvena praveshtuncha parantapa. Chapter 11 verse 54, Gita. Sri Krishna says to Arjuna, to all of us, whether one wants to attain the knowledge of Sri Krishna, to know Sri Krishna, to attain the divine knowledge, Gyatam, whether one wants to see the divine form of Sri Krishna, to see him, Drashtum, or as the Jnanis, one wants to merge into him, to attain moksha, mukti, liberation. Whatever we want to attain. In Sri Krishna, one thing only. Bhaktya tvananyaya. Ananya bhakti. The word ananya means exclusive. Only. Exclusive. Bhakti should not be mixed with karma, dharma, yoga, jnana. Pure bhakti. Ananya Bhakti means love, pray. Bhaj, bhajana. We have to love Shri Krishna. To do seva, to serve Him, to love Him. That will come through knowledge. Tattva Gyan. Tattva Gyan is very important. Tattva Gyan means the explanation of the scriptures, divine philosophy, that explanation of the scriptures, Vedas, Puranas, Mahabharata, Gita, etc., given by a true saint. We can't get that knowledge by reading it. Read the Gita. Uncountable times we have read Gita. All Ved, Gita, Puran, we've read, we've heard. Nothing. This knowledge, what Ved is saying, what Gita is saying, what Ramayana is saying. Bhagavad Rasik, Rasik ki baate, Rasik bina ko samujh sakena, khag jane, khag hi ke bhakha. Tusidasi is very beautiful. Rasik ki baate. The words, that which is written by a saint or Bhagwan, whereas Ved is Bhagwan word. Puran written by saint. Whereas any scripture, these are divine words. And to understand divine words, we have to have divine mind, divine intellect. Only a saint, he said, can understand what is written by another saint. I told you saint doesn't mean yellow clothes. One was attained God. The divine knowledge of God is seeing Krishna. Our mind, our intellect is material. When we read Gita, Ramayana, Bhagavad, Ved, we're going to give a material meaning, interpretation to divine words. Parokshavad. Bhagwan Krishna said to Uddhava, Vedayam, that the Vedas are Parokshavad. Parokshavad means on top is saying one thing and what it means is something totally different. Thousand people read one chaupai of Ramayana, they will give 1,000 meaning. Interpretation. Only someone who's become Tulsidas can understand what is in Ramayana. Simple little book Ramayana. As in Tulsidas he says, Soi janahi jehi dehu janai, janat tumai huai jai. He who knows Ramayana has become Ram. Ooh. And so many people claim to know Ramayana. So you're Ram, you're Bhagwan. It's Abhiman, ego. So only bhakti. And how, why, how we will do bhakti? In Bhagavad Mahapuran, Prabhupada Maharaj, Videhanidhi, had the great fortune of meeting the 9 Yogeshwaras. 9 God among yogi, not the Kali Yuga yogi. The Kali Yuga yogi is only exercise, vyayam. That's not what yoga means. Yogeshwar, 9 sons of Rishabh Bhagwan. And Videhamini, see that great opportunity, decided to question. Very important section of Bhagavad. The whole Bhagavad. It's very important. This is translation of Vedas. Prabhu Maharaj says to Videhamini, Bhaktya sajataya bhaktya vibhratyu pulakantam. Bhagavad Mahapurana, 11th canto, 3rd chapter, 31st verse. Prabhu Maharaj says to Videhamini, we have to do bhakti to get bhakti. There's one bhakti jo hame karna. One bhakti we have to do. Sadhana bhakti. And one bhakti we are going to get through the grace of a rasik saint when our heart, our mind has become pure. Siddha bhakti. One bhakti we have to do, sadhana bhakti. That is to make the vessel, the heart, the mind pure. Nirmal man jan so mohi pava, mohi kapat chal chidra bhava. Bhagwan Shri Ram said to Sugriv in the Ramayana, only those who are pure in heart, pure mind. The heart, the mind doesn't mean a thing that goes boop, 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 boop. Go there. The feeling we get when someone tells you something but nice, they flatter you and you feel, and someone says something to you hurtful and you feel, oh. That feeling, you can't see it, that feeling, that is the mind, that is the heart. That has to be pure. Pure means Maya rahit. It's become free from Maya. There's no anger, no greed, no jealousy, no hatred, no lust. Yeah. Uncountable lifetime of wickedness, sin, and beauty stored in there. So when we do sadhana bhakti, in ancient times, the Guru will only give Diksha, mantra in the air, when the heart, the mind was completely pure. And the moment the Guru gives Diksha, we will attain God, we will see Bhagwan, we will attain divine knowledge, divine bliss, everything, immediately. Unfortunately, in this Kali, this ancient tradition has been carried on and nothing is happening because the so-called gurus, so-called, the saint will never do that, is given mantra through the mic nowadays. Bhuke hai kaan mein, put a blowing up a mantra there and then they say, don't tell anyone. Nothing happens. First the vessel has to be made. So what we do, that is the sadhana bhakti. When you sit alone, this we have to do every day. Sadhana. 1 hour, 2 hours at least. Sitting alone, chanting the divine glories, bhajan, kirtan written by a saint. Not the worldly one, the filthy one, the saint. Tulsidas, Surdas, Meera, Tukaram, Nanak, Jagat Gurutam, Kripalu, Mahaprabhu has written thousands and thousands. Meditating on Radha Krishna and saint and shedding tears of selfless love. That is sadhana. By practicing that through Guru's grace, slowly, slowly the heart, the mind will become pure. There are many kinds of bhakti, Bhagavad, etc. 9 types, 20 types, 24, 26, many types. Most famous, Naubha Bhakti. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasam, Sakhyam, Atma, Nivedanam. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 7th canto, 5th chapter, 23rd verse. Prahlad said to his father Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu put Prahlad to sit on his lap and said, Beta, you have been so long in the ashram with the Guru. You must have attained the great knowledge. Tell me the greatest knowledge you have attained. Prahlad said, my father, Pitaji, worshipping Sri Krishna in this 9 form is the highest knowledge. Of course, Hiranyakashipu didn't like it. This is most famous. Very briefly, Shravana, listening. Listen to divine philosophy from a saint. Bhagavad Ram Mahapurush, not listen to any other bagay. We get more confused listening to foolish people in the world. Saint, Shravan, Kirtana, chanting divine name, glories, etc. of the Lord. Again, Bhajan Kirtan written by saint. Smarana, lovingly remembering, meditating on Radha Krishna, on the Lord, on Guru, the saint. Number 4, Pada Sevana. Worshipping the lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna, of the saint who is Radha Krishna personified, doing puja. Worshipping the lotus feet. Archana, 5. Worshipping an image through the various process. Murti, image, worshipping the Murti, image of Bhagavan, or saint. Vandana, prostrated before Bhagavan. Not physical prostration. Everybody fall like a stick, doesn't work. And the mind is everywhere in the world. Man Sahit, with the mind, that you actually feel you're touching the lotus feet, visualizing the lotus feet of Sri Radha Krishna, Guru, and touching it. Dasya. The soul, the Atma, is an eternal servant of Sri Krishna. Jivera Swarupa Hoy Krishnera Nityadas. Nityadas, eternal servant. Realizing that I am a servant, Sri Krishna is my master. My aim in life is to serve my master, Sri Radha Krishna. Sakhyam. Another relation, that the Lord is my only true friend, eternal friend. Wherever the soul goes, Sri Krishna has to go. He's always, he never leaves us. Even when we go to Narak, hell, he goes, oh, Sri Krishna is in hell? Yeah, everywhere. The soul goes in the womb of a dog, cat, donkey, worm, reed, grass, tree, everywhere. Sri Krishna never leaves us. He sits in the heart of every being. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hriddeshe junatishthati. 1861 Gita. Atma Nivedanam. Offering everything, complete surrender, everything unto the Lord, having no ownership. My house, my muruka, my wife, my husband, my children, my bank balance, no, everything. Sab unki hai, everything belongs to me. Nothing belongs to me. No one and nothing. Sarva samarpan. So this is briefly now Bhagavad. But I told you once, his name is Saranya. Sutaji is sitting with all Shaunak and all the rishis and munis. And they questioned Sutaji, in this age that Kali Yuga is coming, Jiva ka alpa ayu, alpa buddhi, the souls in the age of Kali Yuga, their memory will be very weak, very quickly going to forget. Age is very small. In ancient time, people lived for millions of years. Prahlad ruled the whole world, one king, one Manvantara. 306,720,000 years. Can't even think. This is a Kali. So tell something simple that the souls in this Kali Yuga can do and uplift themselves. So Parikshit, what Sutji said is saying to Shukdev ji is saying to Parikshit, Tasma sarvatmana haris sarvatra sarvada shrotavya kirtavyascha smartavyo bhagavanina. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 2nd canto, 2nd chapter, 26 verse. Tree Bhakti, that's all. This is Tree Bhakti, Jagat Gurutam Kripalu Mahaprabhu also recommends for us to do. 18, this tree, very important. Let's do this tree. Parikshit, Shukdev said to Parikshit to us. Number one, Shrotavya. That is Shravanam. Listening to divine philosophy only given by a saint. One who's attained God. Number two, chanting the Kirtan, Bhajan, etc. written by a true saint. Kirtanam. And number three, Smartavya, Roop Dhyan. Meditating on Radha Krishna, on Guru. Do not just chant the name of God like a pirate. Lots of people are chanting. And the Guru is not telling them, just chant, just say Radhe Radhe, that's what they are told. We will take God's name from beginning to last time. If just say Radhe Radhe, you will attain God and we should have attained infinite God realization. Without Roop Dhyan, there's no benefit. Chant also. Chant Radhe Radhe, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Radha Govind, Hari Bol, chant. But with Roop Dhyan, Meditate. Put Radha Krishna to stand in front of you. Put the saint, the Guru who is Radha Krishna personified, to stand in front of you. Guru is very important. Don't leave Guru out. Without Guru, nothing is possible. When we leave Guru out, Shri Krishna gets very angry. Of course, Guru has to be saved. God realized, not the fellow who is wearing yellow clothes, orange clothes, and saying, I am Guru. I am saint. There are millions of people in India wearing clothes, and everybody is being called saint. Sant. No. Shotriya Brahmanishta Mahapurush. Shotriya, Shri Krishna says in Gita, Jnaninaha. Veda says Shotriya. Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirveda mayan nastakratikatena tadvigyanartham sabrumeva bhigachet samipani shrotriyam brahmanishtam. Mundak Upanishad, 1st Mundak, 2nd Kan, 12th Mantra. Vedas are saying, if you want to know Shri Krishna, you want to attain the highest aim of life, you have no interest in God for else. Don't worry about getting, you can take any donkey, guru, no problem. But if we want to know Krishna, want to attain that supreme divine love, divine bliss of Krishna, then Gurueva. We have to have Guru. But the Guru has to be qualified, a bona fide saint. And here the Vedas are saying 2 qualities he must have. Shotriya plus Brahmanishtam. You heard this many times. Just repeat it. Especially those who are new. Shotriya means he has complete knowledge. All the Vedic scriptures, all the Vedas, the Puranas, Mahabharata, Gita, Ramayana, all complete knowledge. He doesn't have to look at book. You look at Jagat Gurutam Kripalu Mahaprabhu. There's no book, and he doesn't put a big thing in front that he can hide and book and look a little bit. He says just like that, you can see nothing in front of him. These gurus, these babajis, they have a big high thing in front, and there's a thing hidden there. Every now and again. The public shouldn't know. Active. That's me. Everything is there. Everything. I told you, Shri Krishna says, Dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Chapter 10, verse 10, Gita. When one attains God realization, attains Shri Krishna, everything that Shri Krishna has, he gives to that soul. Infinite knowledge, infinite bliss, infinite divinity, everything. He doesn't have to go and read any book anymore, everything. Shri Krishna has given everything. He becomes Shri Krishna. So Shotriya, and Shotriya is not only that he knows everything, he is able to make us understand. He removes our doubt. The thing about a true saint, the true Guru, the doubts, even after uncountable lifetime of reading all the Vedas and all the scriptures and read it, we could not remove the doubts. When we listen to a genuine saint, a true Guru, I learned with faith and reverence, very quickly, all the ignorance and doubts get clarified. When a saint is speaking, Radha Krishna themselves speaking. Divine words. Through their words, we get a taste of divine bliss. So Shrotriya, but even more important, Brahmanishtam. They say, Shri Krishna says in Gita, Tattvadarshina. He is attaining Shri Krishna. The divine knowledge, divine bliss, divine vision. He sees Shri Krishna in every particle of the world. Siya Ram mai sab jag jani, karhu pranam chori jug pani. Like Hanuman ji is saying, everywhere I look, in every particle of the world, I see my beloved Sita Ram, and I put my hand together and I do pranam. Jit dekho tit sham mai hai. The saint is blind. Surdas. Andhe. He said, everywhere I look, I see my beloved Shyam Sundar Shri Krishna. Are Surdas, you're blind. How can you see? Not these eyes. To see Shri Krishna, we have to get Shri Krishna's eyes. And that Surdas has been given. It doesn't need these material eyes we have. You can't see God. This is most important. So we have to listen from such an entity. Shrotya Brahmanishta Mahapurush. Then Shrotavya. Kirtitavyascha. Chanting the divine names, qualities, bhajan, kirtan by a true saint. As I mentioned, Tulsidas, Surdas, Meera, Tukaram, Jagadguru Tam Kripalu Mahaprabhu. And Roop Dhyan, Smartavya. Most important. Quran Mahaprabhu says, Maner Smaran Brah. Meditating on God, Roop Dhyan, is the life of all bhakti. Pran. Look. As long as the life force is in this body, the soul, the life force, pran, we can do a lot of things. We can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can eat, we can fight, we can quarrel. So much things we can do. But when the life leaves the body, we say someone has died. Eyes are still there, ears, nose, everything is there. But can the eye see? Can the air hear? Can the tongue taste? No. Because that which was given in power to do all of that has left. In the same way, we can do all the bhakti in the world, 100 times, 1,000 times. But if there is no roop dhyan, it's like a dead body without life. Brahman. Shav, murda. Dead body. So, roop dhyan. We can do only roop dhyan, attain everything. But Shukadev ji is saying to Parikshit, these three. And Jagadguru Tam Kripalu Mahaprabhu tells us these three also. Shrotavya Smarana, Shravana, listening to divine philosophy given by a true saint, a true Guru. Kirtana, chanting the divine name of the Lord. Bhajan, Kirtan written by a true saint, a Rasik saint. And Smarana, lovingly meditating, practice to meditate. I told you last night I was answering, many times you've heard. In the beginning, when we now start, we will need to use a picture, murti. We have a beautiful murti of Radha Krishna. This is why this temple is being inaugurated, that you can come here and sit down and look at the beautiful murti of Radha Krishna Sitaram, Jagadguru, baby Radha, and meditate. God is everywhere. Don't think God is only in the murti. This is the thing we have, and we think that we wander and everywhere. The Vedas say a person who goes everywhere looking for God and doesn't realize that God is looking for is sitting in the heart, or baithe hai hriday mein, is like a person who has a laddu, a sweet, in the heart, and he licks the elbow. Koi nahi ko chaat rahe. And it's here. Bhagavan is sitting in the heart and you're looking everywhere. Andar dekho. He's sitting. Not to go anywhere special. But this helps. Doing the arti, looking at them and trying to help in practicing Rup Dhyan meditation. We can go all the best murti and the feeling is not there that Radharani is sitting in the murti. Every particle of the murti, in every particle of the murti, Shyam Sundar is sitting. It's just a story. The feeling has to be feeling. Bhavana. वही देखते हैं भगवान. He looks at the bhavana, the feeling. कितना प्यार है. How much love. आप कुछ नहीं देखते. And it's very simple. Bhagwan doesn't ask for anything very expensive. What is our Shyam Sundar? Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. You know what he asks us for? In Gita he says, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam. Patram. Patra means leaf. Neem leaf. People look for special leaf. Neem leaf. Annual leaf. Shri Krishna says, Patra Bhaya leaf. Patra. Any kind of leaf. Pushpam, flower. Any flower. Phalam, phal means fruit. Mango, apple, orange, plum, whatever you can get. And someone says, I cannot get leaf, I cannot get flower, I cannot get fruit. Toyam, a few drops of water. But, listen carefully. People go and they decide, oh, Shivji likes milk, so we going to pay him with 20 gallons of milk. No problem. But Shri Krishna says, Yome bhaktya prayachati. Give it with love. Tanaham bhakta. Ashnami. Tanaham bhakta. If someone is giving me with love, a leaf, a flower, a fruit, a few drops of water, stone. Like in prayer say, give it with love. My cow, I will eat. I have to. Our chappan bhog diya. Someone gives 56 times of the best in Duryodhan. He's king, Raja. He didn't go and cook himself. He had big cooks in the kitchen, he's a king. I want you to make chappan bhog, 56 times of the best delicacies. And then he said, hey Krishna, hey Vasudev, come and eat. Hey Vasudev. Shri Krishna हंसने लगे. Shri Krishna said, भैया मैं भूखा नहीं हूँ. I'm not hungry and I don't eat like that. Abhiman se jo dete hain. Give it pride, it will abhiman. It could be the best thing. I'm not hungry. I am hungry for wanting. So Shri Krishna refused to go. He went to the home of Vidur. And he knocked on the door. Vidur wasn't there. Vidurani was in the home alone, and she was begging, Nahari. कौन है? Krishna. Krishna. washroom. आप सोची नहीं. She didn't think, अरे, I am wet, I am not fully clothed. She ran out. Just hearing Krishna, she ran. Opened the door. Brought Sri Krishna, put him to sit. Now she is thinking, kuch dena chahiye, I should give. My beloved is here. I should give something. So, what to give? She has some banana, kela, right. Decided to give Sri Krishna, right, banana. Vidurani is in that love, she's looking at Sri Krishna, tears are flowing from her eyes, the whole body is wet, tears are flowing, and she's feeling, she's looking, not even blinking, staring at Krishna. She's feeling the banana. And that love, she throws away the part that you eat. जो खाते हैं वो फेंक दिया और छिलका दिया. She gave that banana peel और ठाकुर जी खाने लगे. Shri Krishna started to eat banana peel, छिलका. The same time Vidur came home. My wife, she sees the wife is little bit of clothes because she's bathing, all wet. And she, Thakurji, Sri Krishna is eating a banana peel. Hare bhaiya, pagal ho gayi. My wife has become full back. Jao, sukhao apne. Go and dry yourself, change the clothes. He told her, go. First he grabbed the banana peel that Thakurji was eating and threw it. Then he says, Kanhaiya, मैं बनाऊंगा आपके लिए कुछ खाएंगे. He says, Kanhaiya, I'm going to make something for you. You going to eat? You eat. Thakurji said, yes. Vidur is a bhakt. Bhakt to kai. He'll eat from the devotee. So Vidur went and he made very simple saag or chapati. Very simple fare. Just some saag and with any kind of green and leafy vegetable you cook is called saag. And some roti, chapati. He gave to Kanhaiya, Sri Krishna, with love. Vidur is the devotee. Sri Krishna is started to eat. Hare Kanhaiya, they say. How is it, Kanhaiya? Oh, very tasty. Vidur, very tasty. हाँ, एक बात बोल दो, फिर भी एक बात बोलना है. बुरा मत मानो. But Vidur, I want to tell you something. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Vidur said, oh, Vidur, this saag you've given me is very nice, tasty. But I want to tell you something. You see that banana peel that Vidurani gave to me and you threw it away? The sweetness I was getting in that banana peel, I can't find it here. Vidur. Think about it. You people eat banana. Ripe banana. Have any of you eaten the banana peel? Try. It will not be sweet. And Thakurji is saying that this is so sweet. Is he lying? No. Because he's eaten the love. Jo prem se diya. That love that Vidurani gave him. That's why he ate the jutha bread, the plums that Shirdi tasted. Bill. Wild people live in the forest, wild. Doesn't know any prayer, doesn't know Tommy or Mata even. You can pray. So this is what Sri Krishna was. Pray, love, that's all. There's much more, but we'll hear some other time. बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, राधा रानी की. श्रीमद् सद्गुरु सरकार की जय। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय